Hey there folks, it's Larry at Computer House. We're going to go over how to use your Jailbroke Firestick for the very first time. Okay, after you have your HDMI and USB plugged in the back of your TV and your power stick's plugged up, you should get a screen like this. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is make sure that you connect to a network. You're going to go to Settings, and then you're going to go to Network. Under Networks, you're going to find your name of your router, and then it's going to ask you for a password. Just enter that, and then you're going to hit Connect. And once you're connected, it will say connected. Okay, on your remote control, you have the up, down, left, and right, which is top on your remote. And your enter button is the one in the middle. Underneath that is your home button that looks like a house, and to the left of that is going to be your back button, and the three lines is your menu button. Of course, we're familiar with rewind and fast forward and play. So let's go ahead and hit the home button there, your remote control. Okay. Let's get familiar with our Fire Stick now. On this, you do not use anything here that says sponsored, recommended, or anything like this. Only section you're going to be looking in and focus on is where it says your apps and channels. Let's get going. First one to go with is called Module. Module is for live TV, and the only thing you do is just click on it, and then you go to channels. And then under channels, you're going to pick the channel that you feel that is best for you. Just like the total premium package that you will get from anything. So we're going to go with a test one here. We're going to go to on. Normally takes about 10 to 20 seconds for it to start up.
I never did it. But why not? What do you do when you go for a
And
job?
there you go right there. So I'm going to switch to another channel. I'm going to hit the back button right here. And we're going to go try another one, USA. And basically all you do is just go left to right and then hit the middle button. And so now we're going to just hit that. Now I'm just going to show you at the top here. You're going to see where it says News. This has all your news stations, everything like that. Only thing you do is find the news station you want, and then you hit the middle button, and then it starts. The next one we're going to go to is under sports. It's going to show you everything that's sports, and it's all live. NBA, ESPN, MLB, NFL, you name it, it's on here. So now we just discussed everything about Module. We're going to hit the home button, and we're going to go over to your next app under your apps and channels. The next one is called FreeFlex. The only thing you do is just basically, just like Module, you're going to find it what you want and click on it. So entering FreeFlex, you're going to go to Watch Now, and then that's IPTV1. You're going to let it load up the channels. And then you're just going to pick a channel and then hit the middle button. So let's hit home because it's self-explanatory just like the other one. Under your apps and channels, we're going to go to the next one. Next is called Cyberflex. Cyberflex is the only application on here that's going to allow you to have Netflix and Hulu. It's going to start off with all TV and Netflix series and different other programming right here. And you can just basically, we're going to take Blackish as a test. Blacklist, I'm sorry. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to click on season and find the season you want. I'm going to go with season 3, and then you're going to find the episode. Right here it gives it a synopsis, which is right next to the picture, and then basically you just go click up here, hit play, and then what we're waiting for now is for links to populate, and that normally takes 10 to 20 seconds. And of course, this all depends upon your internet connection. For the sake of this video, we're just going to basically just say, hey, they come. And then once you get that link, all you do is just click on it. So here it is right here. You're going to click on the link and you hit play. You're going to wait. And then it should be starting. I apologize for the connection issues here. We have a little weather issues outside there. That's probably hurting us. So we're going to just hit this. But basically, we'll start playing your show. Up here, you can favorite all your channels by clicking the favorites icon. Up here, there's a drop down arrow. You click here. This can give you Netflix and your Hulu. And then you can click right here. Also right here, you can use the search feature. And say, for example, I want to type in good times. I'm not going to go the whole thing because it's going to predict it. And then there it is. It's going to have all the good times. So generally what I do is I'll favorite the channels. And then I don't have to look for it because it's in all of my favorites right there. Let's click over here to these three lines to the left. And we're going to go on our movies. It's going to show you all movies displaying at the theater, like Us, Glass. These are different ones. So we're just at the theater here. And if you click here, it even show you more details of what's in the theater. Okay, so we're going to hit the home button on this. And we're going to just go over these apps. Okay, because they're all going to run just the same. Just like you ran in the Cyberflex, you're going to do very similar. Now, Jetbox gives you all your movies and TV shows, and when you click on a movie here, only thing you're going to do is you're going to click on it, and then you're going to look for this little thing here that says Find Source. It's going to load up the link sources, where it's playing at, and then you would just click on a link, and then you hit play. For time in this video, we're not going to do that. We will be giving you an official video on how to use your Jailbroke Firestick. But we're going to hit the home button here, and this show you here, we're going to hit this. It shows you TV shows right there, just kind of just like on the other one. So basically you find whatever app that you like the best. Mine's favorite is Cyberflex. Next is Jetbox, and then next would be Cinema. Okay, these are my favorite apps here to use for the Jailbroke Firestick. So if you have any questions or anything, feel free to give me a call. This is Larry. I'm out.